Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things for the first time on camera so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making strawberry cheesecake cupcakes. Can you think of two better things that go together? Chocolate, marshmallows, the list could go on and on, but strawberries and cheesecake, yum, yum, especially because it's going to be in a cupcake muffin form. What we're going to do first is we're going to make a strawberry reduction. Sounds complicated? We're boiling strawberries. That's what we're doing. That's it. Then we're going to make the cupcakes, and then we make that cream cheese filling for that cheesecake filling, and we just throw it all together. Really, that's pretty much it. And I was inspired by this song. All I have to say is we're making strawberry cupcakes, easy to bake, nothing to get hung about. Strawberry cupcakes forever and ever and ever. In a medium pot, add your cut strawberries. You could dice them even further than this, but we're gonna put them through a food processor, so it doesn't really matter. Add your sugar. Cook on medium-low for about 3 to 5 minutes. You're looking for the strawberries to soften and also release their juices. This smells heavenly. At this point, you can move it to a food processor or use an immersion blender, and hopefully you don't make a mess. So let's see what's gonna happen. Bring to a low boil for about 6 to 8 minutes. Continue to stir. It will become thick and foamy and darker in color, and that's exactly what you want. Add lemon juice to instant clear gel or cornstarch and stir together. Add your lemon juice and clear gel and or cornstarch mixture. And let it boil for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can transfer it to another bowl or let it cool to room temperature where it is. Pour it very carefully. You should have about a cup or so of this reduction, which is, I guess, exactly what I have. While that delicious strawberry reduction cools, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're on to the cupcake part. Flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, stir together. Interestingly, this recipe says to add the butter after, which I usually do before. Let's give it a try. Mix together on low. You're looking for it to look sandy in texture. Add your egg white, water, vanilla. Beat until combined. Add half a cup of your strawberry reduction that has cooled to room temperature. To add even more red coloring to the batter, I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops of food coloring in just to see how it works out. Using a scoop, you could use a spoon, whatever you want. Go ahead and put it in your muffin tins here. Or you can use paper cups, or feel free to grease your muffin tins as well. Into the oven for 20 to 24 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. While your cupcakes bake, let's make that filling and frosting. Cream cheese, confectioner sugar, vanilla, salt. Beat until smooth. Take 2/3 of the mixture out. It's about 140 grams, and we're gonna cover and refrigerate this. Perfect. Add a little bit of lemon juice, stir together, and then refrigerate. What remains here is what we're gonna use for the frosting. Add your heavy cream and use a whisk attachment. Mix on medium-low speed until soft peaks form. This part is optional. We have confectioner sugar and instant clear gel. It will help stabilize the frosting. I don't know a whole lot about frosting, but if they say it's going to stabilize it, okay. Here we have soft peaks. Go ahead and add your confectioner sugar and clear gel until stiff peaks form. That's pretty stiff. We are good. Refrigerate your frosting until your cupcakes are room temperature and ready to be filled. Time's up. Let's test them. So they should bounce back a little bit, which they are, and let's test them. Toothpicks coming out clean. Let's take them out. As soon as you can handle the muffin pan, let the muffins cool on a wire rack to room temperature, and then we'll fill them. Now that your cupcakes are cool, you can use a paring knife. You're going to basically cut 1 inch to 1.25 inch hole out of the center of each cupcake. So I'm going to use this teaspoon scoop here. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to put frosting on top. Put a scant tablespoon of cream cheese in the middle, and feel free to press that down in there. Add on top a half teaspoon of your strawberry reduction, just like that. Then replace with the top of the cupcake. You don't have to do this part because you're going to cover the whole thing with frosting anyway, so it doesn't really matter what it looks like at this point. In order to make a colorful pipe, or feel free just to slather it on top too, you could just use a back of the spoon to put your frosting on, but we're going to try something. We're going to add that strawberry reduction down. Look at this strawberry cheesecake cupcake. The frosting didn't turn out too bad, despite my not so great piping job, admittedly so. So again, feel free to just put a layer of the strawberry reduction and then the cream cheese on top, however you so like. You could even eat it straight out of the bowl, just saying. You can see the strawberry reduction in there, the pretty pink color of the cupcake, and that cream cheese frosting mixed in with that strawberry reduction. So let's take a bite. I think the best way to do this might be with a fork. Let's cut it in half so we can see the inside. Oh, look at that. You can see the strawberry reduction in there with that cream cheese filling. Let's take a bite. First off, you taste that luscious cream cheese frosting, and then with the strawberries coming through, and that lovely soft cupcake with a strawberry flavor to it. This is delicious. Do you like cheesecake? If so, you will love this. Do you love strawberries? You will love this. Do you like cupcakes? Does anyone not like cupcakes? Well, you will love this. This is a great version of a cupcake, and if you like cheesecake or strawberries, it combines everything together and is just fantastic. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. If I can make this strawberry cheesecake cupcake with the strawberry reduction, the filling, the piping, the frosting for the very first time, with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep sending those song requests, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.